If you want to download Prezi Video, the good news is that the official Prezi Video desktop app is completely free to download and use on all account tiers. And if you plan to record presentations in higher HD quality, the desktop app is definitely the best option because it avoids the limits that can come with recording directly in a web browser. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download Prezi Video on your Mac or Windows PC step by step so you can get set up quickly and start creating better looking videos right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Prezi website. Once you're on the Prezi dashboard, sign in to your account if you haven't already. After you're logged in, look to the bottom left corner of the dashboard. You should see an option that says Download Prezi Apps. Click on that option to open the download page for the desktop software. On that page, Prezi will show you the available app download for your device. If you're using a Mac, download the Mac version. If you're on Windows, choose the Windows version. Go ahead and click the download button, and the installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Once the download is finished, open the installer and follow the on-screen setup instructions. The installation process is usually quick and straightforward. After the app is installed, launch Prezi Video from your desktop or applications folder. Then sign in with your Prezi account so the software can connect to your existing workspace and projects. At this point, you're ready to start using the desktop app for recording and presenting. The biggest advantage of using the official Prezi Video desktop app is that it gives you a smoother experience and better recording quality compared to browser-based tools. It's especially useful if you want to create polished videos, presenter-style content, or HD presentations without worrying about browser performance limits. So just to recap, go to the Prezi website dashboard, click Download Prezi Apps in the bottom left corner, download the correct version for Mac or Windows, install it, and then log in to start using it. And that's how to download Prezi Video in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.